a farewell day and it's a bit emotional day as well as a proud moment for us. See, my friends are applauding me. I really like it. Okay, so basically, it's a proud moment because we will be all choosing different paths, different careers, and different ways to achieve something in our life. But I'm pretty sure that it will be really a very nice path and a growth and progressive path for all of us. So basically, I'll start from this starting of my school life because it ended from this place. Sorry, first of all, it started from this place, then it is ending from this place only because I have been here in this school for 15 years, and 15 years is not a joke because I have experienced everything here. So it was a really very good experience to be here in this school. And first of all, if I have to pray to God that what I need in my life, what I want in my life is just to come here in the school for 2 3 hours, only 2 3 hours, and just experience those moments and those memories again with my friends and my respected teachers. Um, Talking about Rathore sir, when I was a little kid, I was in, I think, nursery or junior KG, and I was very scared of him. Like, I thought that he's a very strict teacher and he will scold us if we will not do the homework. But when I just came to his identity and I came to know him, means he's a mind-blowing person. I, whatsoever I compliment him is just less because it's not description, right? So when we talk about respected Snehal sir, um, his one quote will be always in my heart that believe in truth. Yes, it means that like when we are just sitting in the class and the class is in chaos, right? There was very noisy atmosphere in the class, but when his scooty means Activa comes through the gate, enters the gate, then the whole class suddenly came into silence, like it's a pin drop silence. It's not fear of him, but it's a kind of a due respect to him. And respected Bhavin sir, I mean, is very humble person and his contribution to the school, especially in this commerce stream, is just invaluable and just unforgettable. Um, I've been just known to him for 2 years in terms of studying, in studying sense. Um, Means I thought that we are just known and he is just teaching us since along 1965. Means he's a teacher, he's a guide, he's a kind of a friend also because he does not scold us on those wrong moments, but yes, he just gives us in the homework for 5 times that one student delivered the speech and talking about Chetna ma'am, બહુ હેરાન કર્યું છે હવે એમને બહુ જ હવે લાગે છે કે આટલું બધું હેરાન નહોતું કરવા જેવું સો સ્પેશિયલી હું એવું ચેતા મેમને એવું કહેવા માગું છું દેટ you are the very most humble teacher in our school. Means the kind of knowledge you are having in Gujarati. So it's like invaluable and it cannot be described in the words. So sorry અમે તમને એટલું હેરાન કર્યું છે એના માટે હું સોરી કહું છું અને દરેક ટીચર્સને પણ હું સોરી કહેવા માગું છું because this is the last day of the school and it's a bit emotional for me too, because staying here in this school for 15 years, like I can't believe in this situation that my word, I can't. And my friends over there, sitting over there, all of my friends are just they're kind of fearless. No, they do not fear of anything. મતલબ સ્કૂલમાં કશું મસ્તી કરવાની હોય તોડફોડ કરવાની હોય તો કરી નાખશે એ લોકો ફિયર નહીં કરે બટ તો પણ एवरीवन जे लोग जो लोग मेरे से मतलब 11th से भी मेरे साथ हैं, जो 12th में भी है कुछ लोग, और जो 9-10 से और कुछ 15 साल से 15 इयर्स की फ्रेंडशिप, वो तो मैं नहीं भूल सकता. एंड आई एम रियली गोना मिस दिस प्लेस, दिस ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस. जब हम आए थे, when I came in the school for the first time, I thought that how will I manage in this school with such unknown faces. I really didn't know who is who and whatsoever. Now on the last day, the feeling is totally contradictory. So it's a kind of a contradictory situation here. On the last day, I'm thinking that how will I manage without these wonderful teachers. So thank you for everything. You built a brilliant character in me, and you made us proud that yes, अगर कोई पूछेगा मुझे कॉलेज में जाऊंगा या फिर कहीं भी बाहर जाऊंगा कौन सी स्कूल में पढ़ते थे, तो मैं प्राउड से कह सकूंगा कि मैं आदित्य इंग्लिश स्कूल में पढ़ता था, स्नेहल सर के अंडर पढ़ता था. सो बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू.